guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what other kinds of videos you want me to do. So in today's video I am going to be snatching and slaying my eyebrows and showing you guys how to do it as a beginner. I know I once had the most horrible eyebrows, but I got to learn how to do them, and it's not that hard, and I'm gonna be taking you guys step by step today and showing you how you can get your eyebrows on and popping. It's 2020, your eyebrows have to look good by all means. This is what you need. You need a brow pencil, of course. This is the Davis brow pencil in number 18. I'm not sure if you can see that because I've used it, so it's rubbed off. This is number 18. You also need a concealer. This is the Illegal Pro Conceal, and this is in Fawn. Preferably get one that is a shade lighter. So this is like 50 bob. This I get for like 500 shillings. And or you can use your foundation. If you don't have this, you can use your foundation. You also need a brush to brush the eyebrows up. So I normally take out my mascara brush when the mascara is over, and then I clean it thoroughly and I use this. Or you can buy brushes for your eyebrow. You also need such a brush or your normal foundation brush. Step 1, you need to sharpen your pencil. How sharp your pencil is can determine how good your eyebrow looks. So always sharpen it, and when it becomes blunt, sharpen it some more. So you're gonna brush them up like this throughout, okay? And then you're gonna draw a line just below, right here, just below your brow, okay, where it begins. Just draw a line like that. Already I have mine trimmed. I trim them myself. I mess up sometimes, but I trim mine. So you just line below your natural eyebrows, and then when you get here, okay, when you get here, the middle, on your arc, you raise it a bit. You raise it here, and then you take it down like that. And then now this is the lower part. The upper part, you just draw a line above your eyebrow, your natural eyebrow, okay? And then when you get here to the arc, you raise it a little bit. You raise it a little bit, and then you bring it down so that it joins this other line like that, like that. You see? Okay, so after that I'm gonna fill it in. After you draw the lines, then you fill it in by like strokes. Don't be painting in there and making it look too fake. So you just stroke it up just like so. Just strokes. So over here I don't have that much hair, so I'm gonna like paint in there because I have no hair there. Strokes, guys, strokes. Okay, so now that's done. Easy breezy. So after that I take my brush once again and I comb it up, or brush it. I brush it in an upward motion, just like so, okay? And that's it. So after that, the last step is of course to outline it, and you can either use your concealer or your foundation. So today I'll be using my foundation because I don't have that much time to blend in, but if you have time to blend in, you can totally use this, but you have to blend. So I'm gonna be using my MAC foundation. This is in NC47, and I'm just gonna take a little bit from the mouth of the bottle, not much. You don't need much because you don't want it looking harsh. Then I'm gonna use this because I love this part, but you can also use such a brush, the tiny act brush. You can totally use that, but I like this. I like the brush part of this. So I'm gonna go below, like so, below the brow, okay? And then at the arc, of course, you go up a bit and then you go down, like so, up and down. And you take your time. You have to take your time, otherwise you're gonna mess it up if you're in a hurry. So take your time, guys. Perfect it. Okay, so now that's done. You go to the top part. Gonna take some more foundation there, and then to the top part, like so, just above the brow. Clean it up. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. You don't want to use a lot of the product, because then you end up having so much to blend. That's it. That's it. Simple, right? Very simple. So after we are done with that, of course, we are gonna go to the other brow. Same procedure. Comb it up first. Brush it in an upward motion, just like so. I take my foundation brush and I blend it out. Like over here, I blend it out completely below, bring it all the way down to the eyes, and above here I brush it to go all the way up to my forehead. And then here too, brush, bring it all the way down, blend it all the way down. And then above, blend some more. So guys, that's it. Our brows are done. I hope that this helped you in some way, and I hope that you can also learn how to do your brows. It's not that hard. It takes a lot of practice, not that much practice, but even when you're idle, just try, do your own eyebrows, and it's easy. Just stick to your natural brows. I'd advise you not to get those fake stencils being sold in town for tracing your eyebrows, because those will not help. Just trace your natural brows and go with how your natural brows look like. And yeah, I think with that you can easily do your brows and get them on and popping. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.